Hello students, last lecture we have studied here first basic concept, that is want, and today we are going to study different three concepts. First is goods and services, second is utility, and third is value. So firstly we will see good means what and later services means what. So goods and services are popular terms of economics. In that first good means anything that satisfies human wants, and these goods have material existence. Material existence means we can see that particular good. For example, chalk, which is used by teacher, stethoscope, which is used by doctor. So chalk, stethoscopes, these are goods and they have material existence, means we can easily see this commodity, we can touch to that commodities. Next is services. Services also satisfy human wants, but they do not have any material existence. Do not have any material existence means we cannot see these services. First, for example, teaching offered by the teacher. That means we can see the chalk which is used by teacher. We can see the teacher, but we cannot see the teaching offered by the teacher. Second example is services provided by doctors. That means we can see the doctor, we can see his stethoscope, but not to the service provided by that doctor. So in this slide images are given here, so we can easily understand the concept goods and services. So in first image you can see here goods are tangible and they can be seen and touched. For example, fruits, sweater, chair, car. These are the goods we can see and we can touch. Then second point is there is a time gap between production and consumption of goods. That means firstly goods and services are produced and after that consumption of goods is possible. That means पहले production होता है और उसके बाद consumption होता है. That means there is gap between production and consumption. Then third point, goods can be stored and can be used later. That means we can store the goods or commodities and use them later. And fourth point is goods can be transferred from one place to another place. That means goods are movable and we can transfer it from one place to another place, one area to another area. So goods are tangible and goods can be stored and used for later, and goods can be transferred from one place to another place. Then in second image we will see information about services. So services, we have seen here services को material existence नहीं है. That means we cannot see the services. So these services are not tangible. That means they are not visible, they are invisible and they can neither be seen or touch. हम देख भी नहीं सकते और हम टच भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. Then there is no time gap between production and consumption. Both takes place at the same time. सर्विसेज का प्रोडक्शन जहाँ पे होता है वहीं पे उनका कंजम्पशन भी होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल टीचर अगर आपको क्लासरूम में पढ़ा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे मतलब प्रोडक्शन यहाँ पे हो रहा है, टीचिंग प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है और कंजम्पशन भी वहाँ पे ही होता है. डॉक्टर अगर सर्विस ऑफर करते हैं तो डॉक्टर भी वही होते हैं और पेशेंट जो कंजम्पशन लेने वाले हैं वो पेशेंट भी वहाँ पे ही होते हैं. लॉयर अगर किसी क्लाइंट को सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, मतलब एडवाइस दे रहे हैं, तो लॉयर भी वही है और उनका क्लाइंट भी वही है. सो प्रोडक्शन एंड कंजम्पशन बोथ टेक्स प्लेस एट द सेम टाइम एंड सर्विसेज कैन नॉट बी स्टोर्ड. सर्विस हम कभी भी स्टोर नहीं कर सकते. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज ट्रांसफर ऑफ सर्विस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. दैट मीन्स we cannot transfer the services. Means you can touch the teacher but not what she is teaching. So example is given here that the teacher is teaching and you are learning, means students are learning, Production and consumption taking place at the same time. You cannot store her teaching nor transfer what she is teaching now. So this is the service the teacher is giving you. And third image, you can see here what is good. So a good is something you can see and feel. It is something you can use. For example, car, books, then bicycle, coat, clothes, helmet. These are the commodities or goods. After that, next concept we are going to study here, that is utility. So utility is the capacity of commodity to satisfy human wants. Another definition is there, want satisfying power of commodity is called utility. किसी भी कमोडिटी में हमारी वांट कंप्लीट करने की एक पावर होती है, एक कैपेसिटी होती है, उसे कहते हैं यूटिलिटी. सो वांट सेटिस्फाइंग पावर ऑफ कमोडिटी इज कॉल्ड यूटिलिटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज नाउ आई एम हंग्री and now I eat here one vada pav and then I get here satisfaction. That means vada pav is the commodity and it has capacity to satisfy human want. That capacity is known as utility. Utility is term in microeconomics that describes to the incremental satisfaction received from consuming a good or service. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टीचर यहाँ पे बोर्ड पे पढ़ा रहे हैं और उस टाइम टीचर बोर्ड और चॉक का यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट. दैट मीन्स चॉक और बोर्ड में एक कैपेसिटी है कि जो टीचर की वांट सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हैं. इमेजेस में अब भी आप देख सकते हो दैट वन लेडी इज देयर एंड शी इज ईटिंग पिज्ज़ा. पिज्ज़ा में एक कैपेसिटी है कि वो उसकी वांट सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हैं. सो यूटिलिटी is the capacity of commodity to satisfy human want. Now next concept is value. So here we will see value means what. And in economics, value has two approaches. First is value in use and second is value in exchange. So first is value in use. Value in use means worth of commodity and it means usefulness of commodity. Value in use refers to usefulness of a commodity. For example, no one has to pay price for sunshine, but its immense worth life can never be doubted. In economic language, sunshine has a high value in use. It is an example of free good. So free good, that means हमें प्राइस पे करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सनशाइन, एयर, राइट, इसके लिए हमें कोई भी प्राइस पे करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो वो है फ्री गुड. वाटर इन दी रिवर, ये भी यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल है फ्री गुड का कि हमें कोई भी पैसे, देयर इज़ नो नीड टू पे प्राइस. And value in use means usefulness of commodity. Another example we can take here, water. Water is very important for survive. So value in use. And second concept is value in exchange. And it means the worth of commodity or a service expressed in terms of money. Exchange, that means buying selling is done here. So it is expressed in terms of money and which is known as price of commodity. Buying, selling, price of commodity. Then a good which commands a price is termed as an economic good. That means if there is need to pay price, then that is known as economic good. For example, television, car. That means if we are purchasing here television, then we have to pay here price. So this is the economic good. And free good means there is no need to pay price. सो वैल्यू इन यूज एंड वैल्यू इन एक्सचेंज. एक्सचेंज वर्ड आता है, दैट मीन्स इट इज रिलेटेड विद द मनी. आफ्टर दैट, in value concept we have to see here very important topic, that is water diamond paradox of values. So some commodities have a high value in use. Some commodities have a high value in use but low exchange value. For example, water. That means पानी बहुत ज़रूरी है, राइट. हाई वैल्यू इन यूज बट उसकी एक्सचेंज वैल्यू बहुत कम है. जैसे कि एक पानी की बोतल 20 रुपीज़ में आती है, लेकिन उसका यूज बहुत है, बिकॉज वी कैनॉट सर्वाइव विदाउट वाटर. वेयर एज मतलब इसके अपोजिट, सम कमोडिटीज हैव लो वैल्यू इन यूज बट हाई एक्सचेंज वैल्यू ड्यू टू इट्स स्केर्सिटी. दैट इज द डायमंड. दैट मीन्स डायमंड हमारे लाइफ में नहीं है तो भी हम यहाँ पे सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं, बट फिर भी उसकी एक्सचेंज वैल्यू हाई है. क्यों? क्योंकि ड्यू टू शॉर्टेज. स्केर्सिटी मीन्स शॉर्टेज ऑफ दैट कमोडिटी. सो इसे कहते हैं वाटर डायमंड पैराडॉक्स, कि पानी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हम यूज़ बहुत है, लेकिन उसकी एक्सचेंज वैल्यू कम. एंड डायमंड उसकी वो बिल्कुल भी हमें यूज़फुल नहीं है, वो नहीं है तो भी हम सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं, बट फिर भी उसकी एक्सचेंज वैल्यू हाई है. सो दिस इज नोन एज water diamond paradox of values. So images are given here. Diamond water paradox of value. Diamond and water. Second image you can see paradox of value. Water is essential for survive, but diamonds regarded as more valuable. एंड थर्ड इमेज यू कैन सी हियर पैराडॉक्स ऑफ वैल्यू. यहाँ पे है मिस्टर डायमंड एंड वहाँ पे है मिस्टर वाटर, राइट. डायमंड का यूज़ कुछ भी नहीं है, फिर भी उसकी वैल्यू बहुत बड़ी है, और वाटर की जो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है बट उसकी वैल्यू जस्ट $1. सो ये है वाटर डायमंड पैराडॉक्स ऑफ वैल्यू. आफ्टर दैट वन activity is given here. Find out which of the following is free good or economic good. So free good means there is no need to pay price, and economic good means there is need to pay price. जहाँ पे हम price pay करते हैं वो है economic good. So first is water in river. It is free good. Oxygen cylinder price pay करनी पड़ती है, so economic good. Sunshine free good. Water process for drinking. Water process for drinking economic good, पैसे पे कर रहे. Air, sea, rainfall, these commodities are free good, and television is economic good. Okay, so free good and economic good. एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है तो वो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना आना चाहिए. थैंक यू.